Hi, thank you for getting my clean code course. In this course, I'm going to show you the art of writing beautiful C# code. That is the kind of code that is clean, maintainable, reveals the intent, reduces the guesswork, and it reads like a story. That's how the code should be. So, to learn this, we're going to look at several examples of poorly written code, which we call code smells or smelly codes. For each example, I will explain what is wrong in that code and then show you how to fix it. This is what we call refactoring, which means changing the structure of the code without changing its external behavior. Now, you can do these refactorings by hand, which is pretty painful, or you can do them in a quick and safe way using ReSharper. In case you don't know about ReSharper, it's a plugin for Visual Studio that helps you enormously with your coding and productivity. In fact, once you start using it, you're never going to go back. It's going to take you to the next level. If you don't want to use ReSharper, that's fine. You can still learn a lot from the topics in this course. You can still learn how to write clean code and how to refactor your code. But doing these refactorings by hand is going to take a lot longer. Plus, you may introduce compile time errors and bugs in your code as you're doing this. The choice is yours. In my opinion, ReSharper is a tool that every single C# developer must have. I'm not a ReSharper affiliate, I'm just a huge fan. And because I want to make you become a better developer, I'm suggesting you to get a license and use it. In fact, you can get a free 30-day trial license and use it as part of taking this course. Now, one thing I need to emphasize here, and that is I've designed this course with developers of different backgrounds in mind. So we start with some really basic stuff and gradually look at more complex issues in the code. If you're more experienced, I would still want you to start from the first lecture. Because when we first look at a refactoring technique, I'm going to explain it slowly and step by step. But then as we progress, I'm going to get faster because I don't want to waste your time. So please watch the lectures in sequence and start from the first one. Well, I think that's enough introduction for now. Let's get started.